Hello everyone, welcome to Pasona India. I'm back with more information on trainings. I'm sure you all must have heard this phrase, you never get a second chance to make the first impression. It is so true. This holds true for presentation skills as well. In today's smart corporate world, presenting an idea, a proposal, a study, etc., in an impactful and confident way is the first step towards professional success. At a time when businesses and professionals are thriving every day to make an impact, creating and delivering impressive and impactful presentations is one of the must-have competencies. Giving a presentation is not a cakewalk. It calls for a great deal of preparations. You need to create a logical story, good reasoning, the right contents to make the perfect pitch, confidence in delivering your message, and the ability to make a strong connect with the audience. In our upcoming one-day training on presentation skills that is going to take place on 17 November at Ibis Hotel in Gurugram, we will help the participants to upskill their ability to create and deliver powerful presentations. The participants will learn about the 3 P's of presentation skills. The first one being planning, which is all about understanding the objective of the presentation, the target audience, the overall deliverables, and much more. The second P will be the stage of preparation, which is all about putting the contents of the presentation together, creating a story, organizing the flow for ease of understanding, and selecting the right visuals and standard formats. The third P and the most critical one is the performance, which is all about delivering the presentation with confidence and impact, connecting with the audience, addressing their queries like a true professional. I just want to say in the end that there are no second chances and only first impression sticks. Presenting your idea with impact is a precious skill in times which are really quick. So present your idea, your services, or the products that you sell. Learn the art of presentation, grow professionally, and excel. So if you are interested in upskilling your presentation skills or would like to nominate your team members, please contact us at the numbers mentioned here or drop us an email. If you wish to register for the training, please scan the QR code. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. We will be waiting for you at the training. Have a good day. Thank you.